Okay, so today we're gonna make protein pancakes. You guys can buy whatever protein powder pancake mix you want. I like this one. I've tried a few. This one is my favorite by far. I ordered it on Amazon, super easy. So usually I ask for a cup of powder. I put in 2 cups, about a cup and 3/4 of almond milk, unsweetened almond milk. You can put water. I put in that. I add, of course, my cinnamon, probably to everything I make. And I do a little bit of flaxseed meal, just because I like it. And then I give it a nice mix. All right, I just sprayed it with Pam, so they don't stick. I have my little grill on. Okay, so, should look like that. Put them on there, lower the heat. We don't want them to burn. And then my dad always taught me when they start to bubble, when you see them start to bubble, you flip them. So I give them a little flip. They look like this. Delicious. Nice and golden.